Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Vidi, and I don't know if you can see, but it's currently 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's very dark outside. I have a flight to catch at 8 a.m., so I'll be leaving now. And the reason I'm going to Hyderabad, or like did I mention Hyderabad? So the reason I'm going to Hyderabad is because we have a conference with a very senior leadership wherein I'll be presenting our team's work or whatever I and my team has worked on, along with my senior manager and an SE3. So it's going to be a good experience for me, and it's my first time doing things like that. So I thought of taking this with you guys. So yeah, come to Hyderabad with me. So I'm in Hyderabad now, and I'm waiting for my bag, and it's been around 20 minutes. A lot of people have got their bags and not me, so I'm still waiting. The duration of 45 minutes. I almost slept for like 40 minutes in the flight. I was so tired, and I'm tired, but I have office today, so. So I quickly got ready for my office. So I haven't eaten much ever since morning, and I'm very hungry, and it's around 12, so I have to rush. And 7 o'clock right now, and I'm still working. I thought I could go to IKEA after I was done with my tasks, but I don't think I'll be free till 9 p.m. at least, and IKEA closes at 10 p.m. So I believe they would not allow me to go before, like after 9:30. So I think I'm not going to IKEA today. Today was a big ass day, and I still have work left, and it's already 10:45 p.m. I just had my dinner, and I have work left. I have barely slept like 4 hours yesterday's night, and tomorrow I have to wake up early. And also, I could not go to IKEA today, so nothing is going according to my plan. I'm gonna miss this view.